Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Patrick, and this is a tutorial on Canva. And of course, you are beginning a series of videos on Canva, that is graphic design. And I want to believe that you are going to learn and also have a great experience with me in creating graphic work. That is amazing graphic work. This is part of what I like, I enjoy, and I want to share, maybe by sharing and showing you guys how to do things here. You get to get your things done. I know there's some people here watching as web designers. This is a platform to come also so that we share a lot on how to create amazing stuff as far as graphic, web design is concerned. There's also people who are owning cybers and printing shops. This is a nice place for us to interact so that you may see the amazing ways of creating graphic work. I also want to share the templates that I create and also have a great experience together while creating this stuff together. There's also people who want to use the Canva to create maybe their amazing work, maybe for personal use, family, or maybe to get amazing stuff themselves. This is a great place for us all to interact and learn and share about this great tool that has been created so that we can create a graphic work. It's like this is the third or fourth year or 4 years since I learned about Canva. When I was doing my first website, I needed some graphic work. I needed to create a logo. I needed to create some sliders. I wanted also to create more graphic work in between my articles. And I was struggling so much using other complex and much more advanced graphic design tools like Photoshop. I also went up to using Publisher and all other graphic design tools that was available at that time. But I came to learn about Canva when I watched other tutorials of other people that showed me how to use Canva. And I found a very amazing experience when I first used it. It was so simple, very fast. The elements, the templates, and everything in this theme or in this app or in this online tool, graphic design tool, it was so amazing and could allow me to do a lot of stuff. It will be nice for me to share with you maybe today how the platform looks like and the dashboard, so that when we begin the real creation of graphic design work, maybe editing our photos, creating our posters, creating our cards, ebooks, presentations, all other manner of graphic design tools at various of various sizes, A4, A5, cards, all the sizes, even in pixels, in having our custom design maybe in pixels and all those stuff. Everything will gonna be okay. So I find it good for me to share to you the dashboard in this quick tutorial, so that from tomorrow or in the next video, as you'll be watching, we'll be doing projects with graphic design. I want to say that I have created a lot of graphic design work using Canva. I've also made a lot of money creating creating graphic work for companies and individuals, and also for by personal use. And so that is a great tool. That is a summarization of a great tool. If you are a beginner, if you are somebody who wants just to come to learn about Canva, this is the right platform. because you are going to learn amazing way of creating graphic design work very fast, easy, and in a very efficient manner. So let me take you through the dashboard. First of all, there is this top right. Is it top right corner? It's according to your how you look at it. There is your name here, like for this case Porojo Plus and Porojo. There is also an email, account setting. Now if you click on account setting, you'll see you have a lot of options to make some changes that you might want to work for you. Okay, as I don't know, it seems my internet is so slow, but it's okay. All right, so I'm coming back to the home page, or it's an home page. It's a website. It's a graphic design tool. So first of all, I believe my internet is okay right now. So account setting, there is let me click again so that we see how it will happen. Should happen very fast, otherwise we will term this as an unsuccessful. Okay, now you see you can change your profile photo, you can edit your name. Maybe in this case I might want to call it maybe Patrick Sirma. Then I save. Yeah, we are just doing something like housekeeping before we begin anything that we like. Now maybe I want to change the image. I'm looking for a better image, right? Maybe let me in this case use this let me use this picture of mine. Yes, you see at the right corner, it's not yet changed. It's until the photo is fully uploaded here. And yes, now it's reflecting here and also on the top right corner or left, I don't know. There's also email. You can edit your email, you can change your email there. Maybe you forgot or you have just lose you have lost your email in one way or another. You can also change the type of account that you have, maybe now personal, non-profit, large, whatever that suits your type and what you want to use the Canva for. And you can also change out of inside collection. Let's leave that one. Okay, I don't see any effect until we read the entire statement there. It says that it gives an owner information about how other people interact with the design. If you will prefer your interaction not to be collected and it's like giving permission Canva to monitor what you are doing and maybe use it in making decisions. I think that is what it means. Now for now it's off. Theme, you choose between the light theme, the black theme. Okay, everything becomes black or dark, whichever that you like. For this case I will want to use light, or you can use the to syntax with the system, meaning it reads how your laptop is and use the colors. Okay, for now I choose light. And accessibility, there's a lot of things that you can change, you can go through, but those are the main ones. Login and security on your right corner or left corner. Okay, so you can reset your passwords. You can reset your password. You can sign out if there is, you believe you open account with many devices. You can log out all of those devices so that you can have your account only logged with the current device. maybe you shared with your friend, maybe you went somewhere and opened your account with another laptop and you want to close all those logins, you can just use that the button, the sign out from all devices. And there's a lot of things. You can even delete account. You can request to download Canva uploads and design here. You can download your Canva uploads and see. It's like maybe you uploaded a lot of photos and you want to download, and maybe you have lost it. Now it's this functionality that will allow you to download. Message preference, your messages. These are some, maybe you want to get some information, updates and whatever. You can just control from this place. People. Now, with your Canva, you can allow more than one person to you share the account and even the project. Maybe you have a project that you want to do with somebody. Now you will use Canva functionality of adding people to your account, so that maybe, say my name is Patrick and we are working on one project. So what are we going to do? I'm just going to create a Canva account and also add you, invite you. Then you will be working. You can be seeing the project that I'm working, and also you will be seeing, and we will be working on the same projects in a very seamless manner. So that is how Canva is designed to work. Very nice, and that's a good functionality. Billing and plans. Remember that with Canva you can pay. You can have free account, or you can also subscribe and have a premium account with endless possibilities and features. So you see, there's a lot of templates. There is a lot of elements here with Canva. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. So if you want to access all the tools or sub tools within Canva, you can pay. You can do a monthly subscription, you can do a yearly subscription, and if you really want to know the charges, you can just click the try. You can also have a 1 month free. Then from that you will be paying maybe on a monthly or a yearly subscription, depending on what you chose. Purchasing history. If you ever have Canva Pro, then you'll be having some history showing you how you have been paying. Or even if you use an element, maybe you didn't subscribe for a monthly or a yearly subscription, and in this case you decided to pick an element. Maybe you use a photo which is premium in your design. Then you will have to pay if it is $1 or $2. So you pay for that one element that you used in your design. So this is where all those history will be displayed. On domains, you can have a website, I believe. Yeah, Canva have a website kind of a thing. You can publish your own website here, and here is where your domains will be displayed. Okay, there is a create design button on the top left or right corner. This is where now you choose the kind of a design that you want to pick. There is already a pre-made suggestions. For example, if you talk about a logo is 500 by 500 pixels. If you talk about Instagram post, it's 1080 by 1080 pixels. So it's already, Canva already has simplified their design model so that you can easily choose based on the history and the right dimensions of a certain work that you want to create. For example, if you want to create an A4 document, it's already here. There is an A4 document here, and it should be 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Or rather, you can also go, this is a portrait and this is a landscape. So if you are familiar with those dimensions, you can easily know the kind. or even you can customize. Maybe you want to have a certain dimensions that you want to create, which is not part of the norms. Then you can choose maybe in centimeters, pixels, and all those. You have a lot of uh, a wide range of figures to play around. Settings, account settings. Okay, we were there few. So this is an icon, a shortcut for the account settings. There is ellipse sender. If you have to ask and have also questions answered, you can go and you can type and get some of your worries and questions answered. So from here also you have a lot of from all these other say patterns on the menu, you have a lot of white things to play with, or a range of things to choose. Maybe for example design and spotlight. You see there is posters, maker, wherever. You can decide to pick whichever thing that you want. It's like simplified, and everything is displayed so that become very easy for you to navigate through. Business, for example, there is a business kind of a design. They give you all the related business works that you can make. Education, for example, if you are a teacher or you are in a school setup, you see you have a lot of things here to play around and also to create. Maybe for students, if you choose, for example, students should be taken to a dashboard and anything that relates to students, and you can easily pick whatever you want. And also it applies to other things like the ones that we have mentioned. Business, like when it talks about business, you know that at some point you might want to create a maybe media and publishing work, maybe marketing work, maybe I don't know, all those stuff. Education, of course. Now the last part here is pricing. You see, this is where you can check about your subscriptions, a free account, a pro account, and also the one that you can use with teams or work, having account owned by many people, something like that. Okay, so I believe that I've taken through the basics about Canva, and maybe a few others is like if you want to have Canva installed in your desktop or your laptop, you can download an app with Canva. There's also an app for a mobile app. So you can download a mobile app from Play Store, maybe, or App Store, and also you can have a Windows app or a desktop app. You can also download and have it connected to your account. So thank you so much for watching, and I want to believe that you have learned one or two. I believe in the next videos we are going to do amazing stuff, and that is creating the amazing graphic designs using this Canva tool used by millions of people in the world. Actually, Canva is used by over 75 million people in the world in over 190 countries. Thank you, and see you in the next video.